Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today, we are going to be designing a party poster which has a glow effect. Saying that, let's go to, we have downloaded an image. So we go to pickfish.com and now we are going to be removing the background. And it's always best to check, the before and after in case you're not losing any important detail other than just the background. Okay, once it's done, download it. And once the download is done, we put the image here. Okay, reduce the size, and we want to make an A4 poster. So we have also downloaded another background from pixels.com, and this is what it looks like. It's a street type background, and now we place a woman over on top of it, power clip it, and put it inside. Now we expand it a little, and with the help of the crop tool, we crop the part that we want. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. We take this, and so after copy pasting, we crop it, and once it's done, we give this a gradient fill because we want to create a different type of an effect here. Got it? And copy paste this once that is done and put it there. Through. Now the reason why we are doing this is the clothes. That other one had the lights very close to, because we don't want them to be edge of the page. Now we want them to take a adjustment lab blue, and we adjust the image accordingly. So that of a different color, if they are of a different color, keeping everything the same. Yeah, that's we shall see that right now. Okay. So cut this out carefully. That's the effect. Make sure you're not getting into the skin. Now we give it a blue background with a fountain, even the skin turning blue. Make this 100, make it circular, and once we are done, we select that, flip it, intersect it with the main image. So you get, we keep only the W at 75. Now what you do is go into the adjustment lab and just desaturate we increase it. Let's say I think 100. So you get gray. Now we go into color balance. Get into color balance and both of them in the shadows. We add blue everywhere 100%, and slowly keep giving shadows in different directions, highlights, so that it blends with 100% blue background that we have given. Now what we'll do, we get into color balance again on the main image, give and give it a lesser to our lady. Now let's see what we can work where we want neon on her face also. So we will be taking her lips. I think on hairline, 75 is good. That's the best thing. So you can see every part of your image. See, that's how it will look. Okay. And this is perfect. Once this is done, we give it a blue color. Into convert this to select both of them and convert them to RGB on the nails, as in bitmap image, same fashion, and give it a gradient and blend it. And if need be, increase the size. Okay. I think we could work on the image a little more. So we bitmap it and just give it a adjust the flat 50% Bezier lines that you made according to the shape of then now we adjust this also, because we don't want that unnecessarily long image. Adjust this, so that it's more controllable. And once we are done, if you want to resize it and lock them and give it a no outline. You don't have to go too far. Now make a rectangle. The eyelashes also make it red. Let's work with our eyelashes and duplicate it exactly here. So these black lines that we had, make it that one red. We work on that. Go into contour. Okay. No, CMYK and white. Make the middle one red. Okay. And break in this curves apart. No, let's reverse it. Group all of them. Because you want the white glow inside. I see there's a problem. You don't want it outside. So let red be outside in the contour. Break apart each of them individually and work in the wireframe. Once that is done, I think done, 2 is good. Put them back in position. Keep the length the same, only change the width. And flip the other one. the
keep this one
thing
here
and give it a blur.
reduce the size of
So we reduce the
that
blur
one according
you
to
see
the eye.
now we have 3D lights.
Once
On
that is
her
done, we
side.
select all of them, go into
Gaussian blur, 3D lights are there on her side and give it a blur
so
of
we keep,
you know we make another rectangle
let's say 3.
and okay,
Select a
so
color from
once
here
that is done
and then convert it to
and
CMYK.
then
It
copy
become
paste
too
it
light
and give it
we
another
darken
blur
it.
which
Yeah,
is
I think it is
higher
good.
than that and control
Okay.
page down the blur. Once that is
Okay.
done, you keep it here and put it exactly very in the middle of the lights and give it a 50% transparent look and convert it to a bitmap and now we give it a gradient. Okay, so you will have to keep converting this to gradients again and again and bitmap again and again. This is the only shortfall of CorelDraw, but your effect will come just like how you would want it in Photoshop. Now we write glow event and we put it here. Okay, we use our metal spaghetti font. This really looks like as if you have used oh, this is moved. Never mind, we'll put it back in place and group them so that they don't move again. Put glow event, make it white. Okay, and increase the font size if need be. Okay, so this looks exactly like how an LED light would look. So that's the speciality of this font. And give it 0.5 rounding and 2 point thickness. Copy paste it and now we write August 18, 23. That's today's date. Okay. Reduce the font size. I think this we could give a little more gradient. Yeah, so much is good enough. So we have space for our matter. We don't want to reduce our size too small. Okay. And work on our text accordingly. So DJ Taps and DJ Lohan are going to be playing here. Doors open at 11 a.m. 11 p.m. Sorry. We only make this doors open font thin and again the same font of doors open comes here. Okay, so we're primarily using two fonts in the whole artwork, three fonts, sorry. So Fira and Spaghetti. Once that is done, we break this apart by converting the outline to an object. Well then, and again do the same for all the text. Oh, what happened to this? Never mind. We'll come here and let's try this. No, it's yet cutting. Never mind. We'll do one thing. We'll zoom in and this is just not working even by doing anything with the text. So trim all this. It's not a problem. See, sometimes fonts behave this way because they are made that way. Okay, you can't do anything about it. But we don't want to be a slave to the software. We want to make sure that we are getting what we need and just so it has to be done. Got it? See, that's complete and then just weld them together. Fine, that's done. Now what we'll do, we get into contour all over again, make it 1 point glow. No, I think 1 point is too small. 1.5 is good. Okay, and break it apart, and now we give it this. See, now we get that LED type of look. I think 4 is good. Okay, 3.5. Yeah, because we don't want this blurring out. Copy paste the behind font, increase the size, and give it a good blur. Okay, see, now that's how your light shines. Got it? So that we do for all the other fonts now. Same thing. So I repeat, now this we keep it at 0.75. This also we do at 0.75. This we cone it out a little because it's coming too close to each other. Once that is done, let's see. Now this we'll have to work at 0.5. Okay. And once that is done, we convert all of them to curves, blur them at 3 point. Okay. Let's make it one point. Yeah. Okay. And select all of them. I think no, let's blur them a little more. Yeah, this is good. 2 point is good. Select all the red parts it only. So this is how you know that you have selected the red part. Increase the size and blur it. Okay. So you're getting this slight shine around, or the light effect around the object. Copy paste, control page down, increase the size and give the blur here. So we are done. So my friends, if you like this particular video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.